In this video we're going to look at how to tag headings and paragraphs in a PDF. In the last video we created a tags route. I'm now going to right click on that tags route, and the first piece of information in my document is a heading. Let's just have a quick look at the headings. Headings must be nested correctly. So the first heading on a page will always be a heading level 1. The next heading, or the next subheading, will be a heading level 2. Any subheadings within that will be heading level 3. So let's first of all create a heading level 1 tag. So right click on Tags and select New Tag. The first thing we have to choose is the type of tag. So we're going to find heading level 1. It doesn't need a title. We'll click OK. So that tells us that we have a heading, but at the moment we haven't associated any text with it. This is easy to do. So first of all, click on H1, heading level 1, to highlight it. Then I'm going to go into the text and highlight my text. I'm going to go back to my heading level 1 and right click and create tag from selection. So now, within the H1 tag, I have the text, PDF and tags. When I select that, it's highlighted with a pink box. I can now close that H1. The information stays within it. The next piece of information is a paragraph. So I'm going to right click and add a new tag. This time I want it to be a paragraph. And click OK. Again, that tells us I have a paragraph, but there's no text associated with it. So I'm going to click on it to highlight, select the text, right click and create tag from selection. Now I have a heading, level 1, and a paragraph. And as I click on each one, it will highlight the contents of that tag. Again, I can close it. So next I want a heading level 2. So right click, new tag. Heading level 2. Select it, highlight the text, right click, create tag from selection. Then another paragraph. Select my paragraph. If I can't remember which paragraph I'm up to, I can click on the preceding item and it will highlight it for me. So now I have my heading 1, paragraph, heading 2, paragraph. The next item is a list. We're going to ignore the list for now and come back to that in a later video. So the next item will be another paragraph. So we keep doing this until we've identified every single item on the page. Now we have 2 paragraphs, and I'm going to mark those as separate paragraphs. That way, if somebody using a screen reader is going through each item individually using their up and down arrow keys, it will show it as 2 separate paragraphs. So paragraph 1, and paragraph 2. The next item is a table. We're going to come on to tables in a later video. We've now tagged our entire document with headings and paragraphs. Let's just go through and see how we've done. So heading level 1, paragraph. Heading level 2, paragraph. We've missed the list. Next paragraph. Heading level 3, paragraph. Heading level 3, paragraph, paragraph. Heading level 3, paragraph. Heading level 3, paragraph. Heading level 3, paragraph. We'll come on to figures in a later video. Final paragraph. I'm going to save my document and then we'll see how JAWS reads that.
Heading Level 1 PDFs and Tags. When a screen reader reads a PDF, it uses the tags to give structural information and the correct reading order. Tags are very important to an accessible PDF. Heading Level 2 Types of Tag. There are several different types of tag that give specific structural information to a screen reader. The most common are. We will now take a look at each of these and find out how they work. Heading Level 3 Paragraph Tags. Paragraph tags are used for regular text. Heading Level 3 Headings. Heading tags must be nested correctly. The first heading should always be a heading level 1 within a heading level 1. You can have one or more headings level 2 within a heading level 2. You can have one or more headings level 3. You cannot miss a level of heading. So, for example, having a heading level 3 within a heading level 1 with no heading level 2 in between is not allowed. Heading Level 3 Lists. Tagging a list correctly will be easier for people who have used HTML coding. When tagging a list in a PDF, the whole list is tagged first with a list tag. Then, each item is tagged as a li. All the li tags must be nested within the main list. Heading Level 3 Tables. Table tags are also easier to understand if you have used HTML. A table is tagged as follows, marking the table, then the rows, then header cells and data cells. Heading Level 3 Figures. In a tagged PDF, images are called figures. As well as being tagged, they must have alt text. So tags in a PDF are not like gift tags. They are much more important.